A very good morning, students. Today we will learn a new chapter, am, is, or are. Where should we use am, is, and are? So let us start. We always use am with I. For example, I am a boy. I am a player. You can see that with I have used am. So am is always used with I. Right? Now the next one is. Now we always use is with singular number. That is which is single in number, we use is. Example, the dog is barking. Here we are talking about only one dog, so we use is. Dog is singular in number, that we have not used dogs. Only one dog is here, so we write is. The dog is barking. One more example. The boy is playing. Here also we are talking about only one boy, so we have written is. The boy is playing. Okay, student. And for he, she, also we use e, because these are also singular in number. He is a student. So here he is written, he is singular in number. We have written is a student. She is a dancer. See, here she is also, we are talking about one girl. She is a dancer. And we use is with it. You have seen that we are using is with singular number, he, she, it. So when we see all these things, the singular number, he, she, it, we write is. Okay. Example, can you give one example with it? It is a nice ball. See, here it is written, and for that we have written is. We have used is. Got it? So once again, for am with I we always write am. I am a boy. I am a player. And we write is with singular number, he, she, it. Example, the dog is barking. The boy is playing. He is a student. She is a dancer. It is a nice ball. Understood? Now, where to use are? Let us write here. Where shall we use are? Are is used with plural. Now you know what is singular and plural, right? So one or more than one, it is plural. So when the noun is in plural, we use are. Example, duck. If it is plural, what we will write? Ducks. Ducks are swimming. So we have written are. And what else you can give the examples? Cows. Cows are grazing. So we have written are. And we use are with we because we is plural. They and you. Example, we are playing cricket. So here we is written, so we use are. One more example, they. They is also plural, so what we write? They are, we use are here. They are playing chess. Next is you. Sorry. You are my friend. So with you we have used are. So are is used with plural, we, they, you. Ducks are swimming. Cows are grazing. We are playing cricket. They are playing chess. You are my friend. Understood where we can use am, is or are? Okay. Now let's do some more exercise.